quiet morning. Splash! Souso's ears perked up. What was that? She thought. She padded over and gasped. The fish tank was leaking. Water gushed out, and the fish were swimming in panic. Oh no, I have to save them, Souso meowed, her golden eyes locked on the sinking water. The tank was almost empty. The fish flopped helplessly. Time was running out. Without a second thought, Souso jumped in. Carefully, she scooped a fish into her mouth, gentle as a whisper. Bounding into the bathroom, she leapt to the bathtub, dropped the fish inside, and turned on the water. Soon, the fish was swimming again, safe and alive. Souso sat proudly, tail curling around her paws, watching her friends play. And from that day on, the fish knew Souso was their hero.